Hello. How to create your wallet using the wallet Netsbo website here. Okay. And then you can switch the button create wallet. This will be important information to connect your external wallets to the platform Olympia Lab and to receive the digital shares of Renaissance Space Lab RSL Coin. To do that, you must have a wallet. Okay, I suggest to you to open a wallet on Netsbo, a wallet. So first thing to do, create your password. Okay, I will share with you for testing a password. The wallet will not be connected to any GIG or Olympia Lab account. This is a training video. We're gonna use a special password. We're gonna create our own password. So now we have double password and we can select 12 or 24 words. Okay, mnemonic phrase. You automatically download to your laptop the key, the special key from your wallet. Okay, this is an automatic step. So you have these words to copy that, save that. I copy the words, I take notes, my password and my words, and then I will select, just click on the right order, on the right word you have copied before. Okay, and my wallet is created. Okay, there is a wallet testing. Then this is my main wallet to connect with Olympia Lab and have all the assets I have there. Coin, Orbs, Hexacoin, all the assets will be credited in this special wallet one. Okay. In this case, I use the word testing just to show you. Okay. So what is the next step? This is the main wallet. I will not connect this wallet to the RSL coin digital shares from Renaissance Space Lab. I will create, after this one, I will create a new one, okay? And I follow the same steps. The password, confirm the password, switch the button here, select the 12 words, and again, the same steps until you have the second wallet. When you have the second wallet, you just copy the wallet, you go to Renaissance Space Lab website. So when you open your account on Renaissance Space Lab, you will have the space to enter your wallet, just paste your wallet, save, and that's done. Okay. In 2-3 days, you will receive on your wallet number 2 the assets, and you will see the number of RSL coin you receive